Hi, I'm Akanshya. In this video, we are going to be talking about the Key Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Skin Barrier Repair Face Cream. This cream has 5 ceramides, hyaluronic acid, probiotics and rice water. Key claims that this moisturizer gives you intense moisture, repairs and soothes your skin. It is fragrance free, it has a pH of 5.5 and it can be used by normal, dry and sensitive skin. So what can this actually do for your skin, right? So of course it has hyaluronic acid and 5 different types of ceramides. It does hydrate and nourish and moisturize your skin very nicely. It has rice water, which is a proven anti-aging agent. It also has probiotics, which help you to reduce the pathogenic bacteria in your skin and to nourish and flourish the natural flora of your skin. Also, the ceramide prevents transepidermal water loss, hence it can prevent dryness. It is definitely a non-irritating and fragrance-free formulation. You can use it as many times as you want in a day because this moisturizer is a simple, basic moisturizer which only has the hydrating and nourishing ingredients. So you can use it after your chemical peels or any treatments, any harsh treatments if you're doing, or if you're using active ingredients. Now let us look at the advantages of this moisturizer. Firstly, it is a quick absorbing moisturizer, so it does not really sit on your skin like a layer. It is not at all greasy, heavy or oily, so it is appropriate for summers. It sits well with other products. Now it does not really peel or it does not really feel cakey. You can use it as a makeup base as well and your makeup really sits well on top of it. Lastly, as I said already, it is sensitive skin friendly. I was using the OG, the minimalist ceramides for the longest time now, and what I felt after using this is that it's quite cheaper, it's quite affordable rather than the minimalist ceramides, but it works exactly the same, so similar you can't even tell which one you're using. And even minimalist has 5 different types of ceramides and is fragrance free. Same goes for this and the minimalist one, it retails for somewhere around 600 rupees. So what I felt after using this is that if I'm getting the same quality, same almost same compositions, or even better if I may say so, and at a fraction of price, it's literally half the price of the minimalist one, and on sales you can get it for like 200 or 250 as well. So I think that instead of going for the minimalist ceramides, you should go for this one because it is really effective. It really does what it claims and it's very hydrating, non-sticky, and yeah, I think you will surely love it. If you're someone who uses minimalist ceramides but you are looking for a cheaper or affordable alternative, you can try it out. So yeah, I think that's all about this video. I hope this was informative and useful for you. I'll see you with another video. Until then, it's me, Akanshya, signing off. Bye.